mom made some homemade steak. As you can see, it looks really juicy. Squished juice. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try it.
The steak with the
Have a little onion on it.
oh, okay, with the dip. This is butter, thyme, chili peppers.
No, it's not.
Chili peppers and what else I put in there? And thyme. Oh, rosemary, chili peppers, red and the green one, and then butter, and then mashed it up. So.
Thumbs up for this guy. This is really juicy and good.
She going for another piece. So the recipe of how I cooked it will be in the description box.
You don't want it too. You want it pink, but not too pink.
Yep, just a little pink because you don't want all the you don't want it to be dry.
Yeah, you want to still have that juice and flavor to it. So guys,
so let's do another dip.
Another dip. Oh, what was that?
Get it. I'm done. I just got to capture trying it out. So on that note, this is just a quick check-in.
It was a 10. So guys, I'll see y'all later. Another video coming up. Peace.
Peace.